let's be real, breakfast can be a little bit boring, especially if you're used to eating processed food in the morning, that is bread. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple protein loaded organic breakfast recipe, which is going to turn out absolutely amazing. It's going to be flavorful. Loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and it's going to be perfect for you. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's so good. You need 3 fresh ingredients. That is your green beans. We have carrots and green onions. That is the white part, which we're going to be using for this recipe. And because it's breakfast, you need some eggs, a couple of spices, that is black pepper and turmeric, together with that is black pepper, turmeric, and a few other ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. I'm going to get straight into making this simple recipe by placing a pan over medium-low flame. And we're going to start off building flavor for this recipe by adding in some butter. This is 1 teaspoon. Add in some cooking oil, around a teaspoon, which is going to stop the butter from burning because it has milk properties. Grab a spatula. And while the butter is melting, I'm going to crack in my eggs in a bowl. Add in a pinch of turmeric to the eggs, a pinch of black pepper, salt to season, whisk in the eggs and add into the pan. Sprinkle with some chives. You can add in the green part of green onions. Use a spatula and scramble your eggs, and we're cooking the eggs over medium-low flame. So it's going to take around a minute to fully cook your eggs. A minute is quite enough to cook your eggs, and as you can see, they look very gorgeous from adding in the chives and the turmeric. So you're going to transfer to a plate. And in the same pan, I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of more butter. Add a touch of oil. Once the butter is melted, you're going to add in your carrots because they take a while to cook. And after a minute, this is how your carrots are going to be looking. So you're going to add in your green onions, saute for around 30 seconds until the kitchen is smelling absolutely incredible. Let me tell you, when you're used to cooking with green onions, you can't cook with any other onion because the green onions are very flavorful. And after around 30 seconds, I'm going to be adding in some leftover peri-peri sauce, which I made earlier on. And this is going to add in a kick of spiciness to the eggs. If you're interested to learn how to make the peri-peri sauce, you can check up here or in the description box down below. And immediately you add in the sauce, you're going to catch that spicy kick. So next, you're going to add in your green beans, which are clean and cut up into bite-sized pieces. And cooking green beans is going to take around 30 seconds to a minute. So please don't overcook. You need the green beans to retain that nice green color and also to be cooked on the inside. To season, I'm going to be adding in some salt, around a 1/4 teaspoon. If you're using salted butter, you're going to reduce the amount of salt, or you can taste before you add in the salt. And after a minute, this is how your green beans, carrots, and everything is going to be looking. The kitchen is smelling absolutely incredible. So you're going to add back your scrambled eggs. Toss together with the carrots, the green beans. Once done, garnish with chives. Once you're done serving up your egg and vegetable platter, you're going to place it on the dining table and everyone is going to get a portion of these delicious eggs. So I'm going to give my eggs a try. Oh, yum. The eggs are buttery. We have lots of flavor from adding in the sauce. We have a nice crunch from the veggies. The eggs are not overcooked. That is, they're not rubbery. So everything is perfect to enjoy over a cup of tea or coffee. Catch you on my next episode. Bye-bye.